Yeah. Adriese's Kitchen 69 is traveling. And we are on the Mardi Gras. Carnival's Mardi Gras ship. It's one of the biggest ones they have. Ooh, we're at Dr. Nassau right now. Yes, enjoying the Lido deck. Oh, they got a roller coaster there going on. No, Adriese won't be getting on anything like that. Oh, they got like 5 cruise ships out here. Nassau, Bahamas. Enjoying these 78 degrees, y'all. Well, let me take you on an adventure. A few little spots I hit on the ship. Let me show you. Yeah, we're gonna go to the fortune teller bar where they got this crystal ball drink. It blows a bubble and you make a wish. And all your wishes come true. Let me show you. We're in the Mardi Gras Carnival on the 6th floor. I will take you on a little tour. We're gonna go to the fortune teller bar where they got this crystal ball. Just right. Crystal ball, y'all. I will make a wish. Hey! The lottery! I won the lottery, y'all! Steakhouse. So look, y'all. Adriese is on the Mardi Gras. Look, y'all, on that carnival. We at the Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse. But somebody don't like being here at the steakhouse. Let me show you. That cow there, he's mad. We chops him up and eat him. He don't even look happy. He's sad, ain't he, Bridge? We about to eat some of that cow tonight, y'all. Yeah. Yes. Wow. Wow. Okay. Yes.
I love my college roommate, my girlfriend. So she's going to end up.
So we're here at center stage for New Orleans celebration. All about Mardi Gras here on this Mardi Gras cruise ship. With Carnival, you get to see some nice stage performances. Let me show you.
You better show me what you got. Come on now. Now come on. Now come on. Now come on. Come on. Come on. Now it's a tough decision, I know. But really think about it. How Mardi Gras family, you're all doing really well.
Oh, so look, they got some amazing artwork on these cruise ships, y'all. Look at that. Y'all know Adriese loves something with glasses of wine and beer. Let me show you. Nice, y'all. Oh, beautiful artwork on the a cruise ship, y'all. Well, hey, y'all. This is my adventure on the Carnival Mardi Gras Cruise. Yes, I have enjoyed myself, and I created a little snippet of my little adventure, a few little tours of the ship. I tell you, every day, enjoy living your best life. And thank you for watching Adriese's Kitchen 6-9 Travel Reviews. And subscribe and love like my channel. You can see another carnival ship out at sea. Wow, amazing.